in case you don't want to patch a specific application, maybe you just want to leave it on purpose, you can easily track what's missing from your patching schedule by going in the currently outdated view. And this view is actually offering me more information that I wanted to show you, which is perfect because you can actually see, first of all, what's missing from my patching schedule. Secondly, you can also see that Heimdal is giving you full CV and CVSS audit trail. So you can see actually every single patch action is logged and maps to the vulnerability data, and is going to be ready for internal reporting and external audits, because I can even click on the vulnerability. And since actually Adam was speaking about the NIST database, well, there you go. You're getting full details about that specific vulnerability directly in the National Vulnerability Database. So you can track it in here.